metadata? What the hell is it? Let's find out this week on Lulu University. Metadata is a fancy term meaning the information that is attached to your book. That information is title, subtitle, author, edition type, edition statement, publication date, copyright, ISBN, and imprint. Boom! I can't believe I memorized that. Nailed it. All right. The important thing to remember about metadata is that these specific pieces of information are permanently attached to your book. Till death do them part. If any of these pieces change, you'll have to assign a new ISBN to the project. Metadata is important for retail distribution. Your metadata must match everywhere for it to be eligible to sell through retail channels. If not, this is one reason that can lead to rejection for distribution. For example, if you input your author name as John C. Mellencamp when you're creating your book on Lulu, but on the cover of your book it says John Cougar Mellencamp, then let's just say that rejection letter is going to hurt so good. Why is metadata important? Well, not only does it help your customers to see all of your book's information standardized, but it's also required to list your book properly in search results. So how do you get it right? The easiest way is to create a document where you can keep all of your metadata listed, where you can refer back to it as you go along the publishing process. So we recommend that you do this in the very beginning, so you will have it as you go through and everything will be consistent and accurate. Lulu collects metadata for your book from different points in the publishing process. Let's take a look at our book creator tool to see where you will begin to input your metadata. On the start step, you'll select a product type and goal. Metadata is only applicable to books in retail distribution, so we'll select Publish Your Book and make sure Global Distribution is checked. Under Book Details, input your project title, not to be confused with book title, which is on the next step. You can change your project title at any time. Choose a book language and category, then continue on to the copyright step. The copyright step contains most of your metadata information. You'll want to be extremely careful when typing in this information as it will be locked once you finish publishing. Enter your book title, subtitle, and edition information. Next, add the name and role for each contributor. This includes authors, editors, and illustrators you want to credit for working on your book. Under copyright, select the copyright license that best suits your work. Your copyright holder name could be your name or a publishing imprint. Under ISBN, you can either add a free ISBN from Lulu with Lulu assigned as the publishing imprint, or you can add an unused ISBN you've already purchased. Again, double check all the information on this page because you will not be able to change it once you're finished publishing. Continue designing your book by uploading your interior and cover files and selecting your book specifications. Note that what you choose here in this step will also be locked to the ISBN and unable to be changed once published. Continue adding your project details and setting pricing and payees. Finally, be sure to review that all of your information matches everywhere once more before publishing. Some final notes about metadata. Ensure that your images are high quality and at the correct resolution. Print books require images to be at 300 dpi, and for ebooks it's 72 dpi, or dots per inch. For ebooks, another common problem with metadata is the NCX file or EPUB table of contents. So if you need help setting up your ebook's NCX file, then check out our video on creating an ebook with the best table of contents. That's it! Remember, if you can keep your metadata accurate and consistent, you should have no problem getting accepted for distribution. Even better, people all around the world will be able to find your book easily online. What questions do you have? What did we miss? Leave them in the comments below, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.